Hello everyone, welcome to Kickstart. Now we will write a code to print the sum of first n numbers. So n will be provided to us by the user. So and we will write first we will declare a variable int n. Now we will ask our user to enter the value of n. तो अब यूज़र को बोलेंगे कि n की वैल्यू डालो. Enter the value of n. Okay. And अब इसको n में स्टोर करेंगे. Now what we will do is we will use a for loop to find our solution. So for loop, now we will use another variable, that is I, for our help. So in the for loop we will do for I equal to 1, as we are doing addition, so the value of the I, our loop will start from 1 till the number n. So n is obviously a natural number, that's why we have started with 1. If it possibly had the value of a whole number, so we could have used I equal to 0, I equal to 1 comma I should be less than equal to n तक हम लूप चलाएंगे and then I plus plus increment operator. So then we will also take the help of a variable sum to store the value of sum. So sum is equal to sum plus I. Okay, so we will it is important to declare initialize our sum as 0 in order to have a unique answer, or we will get a rubbish value if we don't initialize sum with 0, as start of the loop will be 0 is equal to 0 plus 1, and after that it will be sum is equal to 1 plus 2 until 4. For example, if n is equal to 4, I will show you both the cases when we don't initialize the sum as 0. So see out sum is equal to sum is equal to the sum. Okay, so first I will tell you, when you don't initialize sum as 0, we will get a rubbish value. For example, a value of 4, so we have got a rubbish value. But when we initialize it as 0, it will run the loop accordingly and give us the authentic answer, that is sum is equal to 10. Thank you.